ito na nga, for today's ganap guys, is manunood tayo ng Little Miss Pride dito sa Queensland Phase 1. Tara, silip po na tayo. Ayan yung stage. Perfect. And then pumunta ako sa backstage para supportan natin yung mga friends ko. Ayan. Perfect. This Miss Gay is open for 15 to 17 years old, starting with production number.
No one ugly allowed.
Tila, meron tayong ating ako'y nananapit. Di naman napilitan kung saan lang naramdaman. Di naasal simula pa ng bata nila, apakunin kay mutang bewang, mga higaw na tumigewang.
Our third runner-up for Miss Jade Anita. For the second runner-up, number 3, Miss Reyes. Alright, our first runner-up will receive crown, sash, and a cash worth 7,000 pesos cash. And our first runner-up is no other than 6, Miss Leslie Lawrence. our Little Miss Pride 2024. Now on the name, candidate number 7, Miguel Castro Reyes.
So, ayun na nga, ang kinaranahang Miss Little Pride ay si candidate number 7. So, hindi ko pala naisali, siya pala rin ang naghakot award kagaya ng Best in Casual, Best in National Costume, and Best in Gown. Kasi nga pretty talaga si Bading, sobrang babae niya sa stage. At saka, hindi ko pala naipakita or naisali ang Q&A portion kasi napakahaba na sis. So, thank you so much sa pag-watch ng vlog ko. Bye-bye! See you in my next vlog!